Good morning, good people. Today I am in Vang Vieng. Came here from Luang Prabang, and yeah, it's a bit different here. Not that French vibe that I was feeling in Luang Prabang, but today we're going to go on a mission to really explore the town. It's really known more as a party town, but we're going to try and see the mountain range because it's quite insane. Steep mountains. Some really blue lagoons are here. So it should be a great day. I'm gonna get one of these bikes and see what it has to offer. So let's get the day started. So first hike of the day is to the Pabuk viewpoint. It's about 40 minutes up and very green, very steep. Should be good. Flip-flops.
I'm having my Vans with me, but I don't want to ruin.
Did you just bring Vans in those?
Yeah.
Dang. Jeez Louise. Yeah, why couldn't Mother Nature just have made it
like a gondola?
A little less steep or around?
Yeah, like why couldn't we have done like a 360 around the whole mountain, you know?
Yeah. How you doing? Just catching your breath there?
Yeah. Those Canadians are not as tough as you think they are.
Straight up. The flip-flops are coming off. Whoop! 30 meters to go. Feeling fresh.
You can say that.
And barefooted. I'm looking straight down right now. That's how steep this is.
That's amazing. Holy. Yeah. Holy shit. No.
Ooh, I think that's the steepest mountain I've ever climbed. But it's straight up and we're here. I think that took us about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Something like that, straight up. Look at this. Put in that work.
This is it, eh?
Wow. Good job.
Not bad, man. Not bad.
Insane view. Anyway, the sun is out now and I'm absolutely sweating, so it's time to get in a lagoon and cool off. Just getting down to the bottom of the hill, and I thought I'd do a quick little talk, brief session about solo travel, seeing as I'm out here before we get to the lagoons, because you know, traveling on your own is like a real roller coaster of emotions for anybody who's done it. You know, one day you're like, oh, I'm loving it, it's amazing, look at this scenery, and the next day you're like, oh, this is shit, maybe want to go home. Because it's funny, we arrived here yesterday and it was pouring with rain and the hostel wasn't so nice, and we were like, oh, this place isn't that great, maybe we should stay to Luang Prabang, blah blah blah. But then in the evening the sun came out and it was just like, wow. We came out into the mountains and you just see the sun and these like just insane inclines and declines, and you're just like, okay, this is why I'm here. And then today again, you know, started off grey and then we come out and it's just beautiful and the scenery's unbelievable. So you just kind of got to stick through those tough times, watch where you're stepping, and you know the rewards are going to come. So yeah, if you're ever thinking about solo traveling, you've got to just get out there and do it. Get used to being comfortable, being uncomfortable, and the rewards will come. Because in the end of the day, when you get up to a viewpoint like this and you see scenery like this, it's all worth it, isn't it? Anyway, it's time to cool off and get in that lagoon. That ride was horrendous. 6 kilometers of just pure pebbles and rocks. But now here's our reward. Get to swim in the Blue Lagoon. See, my aquatic skills aren't the best. Tried to master the flip, just can't get my body tucked in, but it's still super cool. Natural fresh water right next to this incredible mountain. And that last whiplash beast, whew, took it out of me. Anyway, gonna chill, do a few more jumps, and then we'll see what we're doing later. So where we're at the bottom of this lagoon, we've got another viewpoint about 70 meters up. And I think I'm gonna try and sprint up there. This guy said it takes about 15 minutes, depending on how quick you go. So while everyone's chilling, I'm gonna get it in. So the path kind of disappeared, but we made it, and I think we're going up there for the viewpoint with an interesting ladder. So let's get it. Ah, yeah. I got bit. Let's hope this bamboo is pretty good.
People who made all this for us to just have a view.
I know.
It's so hard, you know?
Yeah. Makeshift. We just crawled straight through that hole, tiny. But we're getting there. I think just a little climb left to the top. And then pretty much a cave up here. So we made it, not that bad. You can see the lagoon down there. Pretty treacherous climb up, and I definitely got some nice bites to save for later. I can't wait to enjoy them tonight. But yeah, let's take in the view for a bit. So after that crazy ride back on just complete pure bumps, it's mad out here. You go literally off the main road, and then there's just dirt, pebbles. It's like driving on a pebble beach. We had an amazing day. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Today we did the same. We went on another hike. It was really nice. Not as good as a viewpoint, but still amazing view, great hike. And then we went to a waterfall. It was beautiful. The sun was shining all day. And now I'm just going to edit my vlog. This is a little behind the scenes. So what I usually do is film one day of the place I'm at. So I'm usually at a place maybe 3 or 4 days. So one day gives me a chance to capture what that place is about, and then I can just kind of chill the other. And when I get like a few hours or an afternoon free, and then try and edit my vlogs. And seeing as I forgot, I'm going to end the vlog here a day later. So if you enjoyed my videos, enjoy my travels, just liking what I'm putting out there, just give it a subscribe, give it a like, give it a share on Facebook, all that good stuff. It's good to get some feedback, know some people are watching and enjoying it. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.